Hi everyone, today we'll learn how to screen record with Clipchamp Windows. So this is a free app. You already have it installed. If not, install it. Then click create a new video. It will take some time to load. Once it is loaded, you have to go to the record and create. Then here there are a couple of options. One of them is screen and camera then screen. So if you want to have your camera enabled, you use this one. We're going to choose the screen only, so we're going to click screen. Then click start screen recording. Here you will be able to see the mic that you have. Select that if you want to have audio. Then click start screen recording. Then you have the windows of the app that you can record, or you can select the entire screen. We're going to do entire screen, so let's click share. It will give you some time that's saying like it's recording. So once you have finished recording, you can just click here stop and review. If you like it, you can just click save and edit, and then it will come here, and it will take some time to finish rendering it in the background. Then it is here, you can just play it. See, like it's recorded now. So this is how you record screen using Clipchamp. If you like the video, please thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thanks a lot.